presentation, How to Access Your AU Offer Letter. My name is Dawn, and I'm a financial aid counselor at Ashland University. In order to access your AU offer letter, you will need your AU username and password. First, let me show you how to access your AU username. This slide shows a screenshot of the AU application portal. If you are unsure how to access this portal, please contact AU's admissions office for assistance. You can view your AU offer, I'm going to keep going just so you can hear it. You can view your AU username on the right-hand side of the page. I'm going to increase the view in the next slide for a better viewing. In this view, you can better see the section that shows the AU ID number and AU username. This is the username you should use when logging onto SelfService. In this view, you can better see the section that shows the AU ID number and AU username. This is the username you should use when logging on to SelfService. Now let's activate your AU password. You can go directly to the website shown on the screen, or you can access activating your Ashland account directly from your AU application portal as shown here. Now you have what you need to log on to SelfService and access your AU offer letter. You can access the SelfService login page at selfservice.ashland.edu. Add your username and password and then click on Sign In. This is the SelfService welcome page. If Ashland University will be your school of choice, you will need to become familiar with this site. This presentation is specifically regarding financial aid, so let's click on the financial aid link. This is the financial aid homepage, which includes the main checklist and helpful links. It also will show you your financial aid satisfactory academic progress after you've completed your first year at AU. If you see any action needed items on the checklist, please complete those as soon as possible. SelfService is one of the main ways we will communicate with you, so please check it frequently, as the complete requirement documents checklist items may change from completed to action needed at any time. In addition to the financial aid homepage, there are 5 other screens you can access by clicking on the financial aid navigation link at the top of the page. The drop-down list shows you the different pages you can visit. Let's click on Offer Letter. Here is where you can view your current AU offer letter, as well as any offer letter history that you might have. You have the option to print a PDF version based on the year you select under Select an Award Year, if you so choose. Please note this is not a billing statement and it is subject to change. Now you know how to access your AU offer letter. If you have questions related to financial aid, please call us at 419-289-5022 or email us at financialaid@ashland.edu. We will be happy to assist you.